How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's painted its original Marina Blue, black interior. Super cool car, guys. This is a true 138 4-speed car. I really like them scoops on the hood. That's a real nice touch that GM did. Nice and straight down the sides. All your gaps are nice. Got a nice set of Rev Classics on it, gray center. It's got the factory disc brakes up front with the 4-piston calipers. Front bumper looks real nice on the car. It's been replaced. It is the original grille. Eyebrows have all been replaced. And it is a period correct 396. Jams look real nice, good and clean. Door panels look real nice in the car. The whole interior in this car has been replaced. It's got the factory gauges in the dash. Headliner really nice in the car, nice and tight. Got the factory console in it. Clock does work. It's got a Hurst Competition Plus shifter, which is a nice upgrade over the original Muncies that were in this car. These Chevelles, the shifter they used in them from the factory was, we call them seek and finds. Trunk looks good in the car. Rear bumper is the original. It's got a little bit of aging on it, but it is the original bumper on this car. And again, you can see nice and slick, flat down the sides. Does have retrofit AM FM with iPod connector stereo in it with front and rear speakers. Got a trio of gauges been added below the console. A little more accurate than the factory ones. Super cool car, guys, and this is a factory Marina Blue car. Tough to come by. True 138. Got a period correct 396 in it. Nice aluminum intake, dual feed Holley. It's got power steering. It's got manual factory disc brakes up front. See, it's got the heavy duty radiator. We'll fire it up here and it looks like we have a blinker bulb out there. We'll get that addressed. We'll get that parking light and blinker light addressed. Super, super cool car, guys. Sounds real good out the exhaust on this car. It's got a set of Flowmasters, 2.5-inch exhaust. Good sound. Thing sounds real good, guys. Super, super nice car. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.